Hey, Catherine, happy Friday. I'm going to just quick do a video tutorial for you today about what you missed in class. First of all, I kind of made a mistake. I'm going to open up. If you look in your to-do list, the first thing that I had is to get caught up with the vocab words, see my note in classroom. So when I was looking at your vocab words, at first I just stopped right here as I was scrolling, and I saw this empty. Oh, sorry, I saw this empty row. So I was like, oh, she must never have done drought and commercial egg. So I told you to update that in this note over here. And then when I scrolled further, there I found them. So you're good with that part. But you did a great job with your Dust Bowl questions and notes, but the definitions of those three words should have gone in your vocab chart from page 82 and 83. So those should go right here. So like rain shadow effect, etc. Okay, so could you copy and paste those from that email into here, or you might want to just get them out of your book on page 82 and 83. So those three words go right here. So that'll get you caught up. Then the next thing is the rain shadow effect is a little bit hard to come up with a definition of. So now that you have a definition in your vocab chart, I want you to rewatch this YouTube video again. I know we watched it, but we watched it a second time today. And then look at your definition in the chart. Is there any way you could improve that definition, put it in words that you understand, but just check that, okay? Then in your mom's box, I put, I'm going to make this bigger here. In your mom's box, I put this worksheet, okay? So you're going to read through the steps of the rain shadow effect, and I tried to help you out because obviously we discussed this in class and you missed some of that discussion. I tried to help you out by highlighting and then numbering the 5 steps of the rain shadow effect. We had a good time acting it out too, so that part you missed. But we'll do more acting out later. Then on your own, you're going to answer questions 1, 2, and 3. Hopefully my notes on the sheet help you with that. With number 2 and number 3, they have to be in complete sentences because we love when 7th graders use capital letters and periods and all of that fun stuff. All right, so worksheet 1.3, finish that next. Then it says number 5, insert images for all 3 of the words of this lesson. So these 3 words here, those are the 3 words that you're going to put here. So you should have the words, you should have the definition, and you can insert the images, okay? We took these pictures today in class, so you missed out on your group's work on that. But we're going to insert all these photos on Tuesday, so hopefully you're there for that. So I hope that makes sense. If not, send me an email, and I'd love to answer any questions that you have. All right? Hopefully, we will see you Tuesday. Happy weekend, Catherine.